Welcome back to Overheat, Brabus Motorhome 2026. Exterior aggression and elegance, advanced LED lighting, Brabus renowned DRL design may be incorporated into the headlights and taillights, which will be completely outfitted with cutting-edge adaptable LED technology. Sporty Exhaust. Even though it's a motorhome, Brabus is probably going to have a fast exhaust system with 2 or 4 exhaust tips. Better performance of the engine. Mercedes-Benz Engine Base, a Mercedes-Benz engine. Most likely a diesel V6 or maybe a gasoline V8 from the Mercedes-Benz high-performance engine family will serve as the basis for the engine. Brabus Power improve to greatly boost the engine's power and torque. Brabus will improve the turbocharger if appropriate, remap the view, and make additional adjustments. High-performance braking system. A bigger and more potent Brabus braking system will be installed to match the additional power. Luxurious and high-tech interior. Ultra-premium materials. The finest materials will be used to cover the cabin. Brabus Mastik leather, which comes in a variety of colors, will be popular. Premium tiny kitchen amenities, including a compressor refrigerator, microwave, a convection oven, induction cooktop, and sink with designer faucet, are included in the galley's mini kitchen. Sleeping space. Cozy king-size bed with a top-notch mattress, perhaps with an electric mattress that can be adjusted. Large central touchscreen. A large central touchscreen in the steering area allows you to control every motorhome feature, including the lights, air conditioning, entertainment, and more. High-end entertainment system. A large, concealable flat-screen TV, maybe 4K old. 360-degree cameras, an external and internal monitoring system, and an advanced alarm are all components of an advanced security system. Separate HVAC system. Different RV zones have their own temperature settings. Privacy windows. Smart glass with a programmable opacity or privacy glass with electric blinds.